Hey peeps. So if you use the link below, instead of actually writing a Diamante by hand, well, you actually have to write it by hand, but instead of trying to upload that to your assignment, there's a second way of doing it, and it's right here at this link. It's really cool at Read Write Think. So I'm just going to go through it super, super fast so you know what it looks like and you know what to do, because it's going to be another one of those things where the fastest way to do that, since you don't have an email, is to take a screenshot. And I did a tutorial for that yesterday. So if you don't remember how to do that, just go back and take a look. The tutorial was in math. I will also put that tutorial right here on how to make a Diamante poem online. So first thing you do is you'll click on the link and it will take you to this site. Okay. Now, if you want, for fun, they show you an example of a synonym and an antonym poem. Okay. But you start by typing in your name, Mr. N, and then you type in the title of the poem. And I called it Cat or Dog. Now, when you click on it, it'll come to the next screen with no words in it. But to make this a little faster, because I don't type that fast, I already put the words in. Now, when you click on it, it will already say cat, or whatever your word is up here, and dog. And you can see here's the poem right over here. So then the two adjectives, and the poem written ahead of time. The two adjectives, gentle and sleepy. 3 ing words about a cat: purring, meowing, scratching. Okay. 4 nouns or a short phrase, putting it together. So things that they kind of have in common. And as you move through the 4 words, they become less about a cat and more about a dog: whiskers, fur, collar, leash. Then 3 ing words about a dog: barking, licking, digging. Then 2 adjectives about a dog: slobbery and playful. Once again, I'm going straight from what was written. And then it will already say dog. All right. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to make this big, and then you will see what happens. You click on finish. Poof! There's your poem. Now, rather than trying to do any of this stuff, because then you have to download it, you have to open it, you have to copy it, you have to paste it, let's do this the easy way. Push the plus. There's your poem. Now, I'm going to take a screenshot. Control. There it is. I'm going to copy it to the clipboard. And then maybe I'll paste it into a Google Doc that I make exactly for this experience. I'm not going to make that doc in the homework. I'm going to let you choose. So when you go to the homework assignment, if you want to, you can just create a doc. And I'll include that, had a tutorial about how to do that. You put it in the doc, you submit your homework, and you are done. So that's how to do it online.